Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Easy Camp Meals. Tonight I'm going to work on a favorite of mine. As you know, if you watch any of my camping videos, I love Mexican food. So I'm going to be whipping together some enchiladas. So let me show you some of the ingredients that we're going to work with. I've made this easy by pre-doing some chicken. I put it in the crock pot, got it done before, shredded it up, and I just reheated over my camp shaft. I've got different selections of cheese. I got cheddar cheese, queso cheese, and I've got some fresco, one of my favorites. I have some cilantro. I've got some of my homegrown tomatoes out of my garden. I have some enchilada sauce. I have red and green, and I've also got some pinto beans. The wraps I'm going to use today are these carb balance wraps. They're one of my favorites. So if you're trying to watch your carbs, this is actually a pretty nice keto meal because these taste really good. You can't even tell that they're low carb. So I'm going to start out. I will go ahead and I'm going to cut up some of my tomatoes. I have to say, like, at least once or twice whenever we're out camping, I'm always making something Mexican. It's one of my most favorite things to whip together. Whether it be enchiladas, quesadillas, I like to make tacos, steak tacos, chicken tacos, even breakfast burritos. I don't think there's anybody who doesn't like Mexican food. My little bowl, kind of get those whipped together. I think that's actually enough. We'll set those aside. I'm gonna kind of put my cilantro out here, try to make my little assembly line. I'm gonna get my pinto beans out. There we go. And I'm gonna actually start to assemble. So I'm gonna flip my cutting board over so I've got a clean surface here. This is pretty easy. If you actually go ahead and cook the chicken ahead of time, it makes it nice. That way you're not too long out at the campfire trying to worry about whipping together your meal. So I'm going to do my little assembly line. I'm going to put a little bit of chicken on there. There we go. I'm going to grab my spoon. I'm going to put a little bit of some pinto beans in there. We're going to put a little bit of some cilantro. And then we'll put a couple tomatoes in there. And then we're going to put some cheese in. I like to pack it with the queso cheese. It's my most favorite kind of cheese. We're going to go ahead, and I'm the worst at always overpacking, but that's okay. I'm going to set that on my board. Now, I'm actually going to cook these in my iron skillet because I have a fire going outside that we're going to go ahead and cook these over. So I've already kind of pre-oiled that, even a little extra oil. It's always seasoned, but I'm going to put a little bit of my enchilada sauce in there. I only opened my can a little bit. I might need to grab my can opener and open that a little bit more. But I just want to put a little bit of sauce on the bottom. That's my green sauce. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take these and I'm just going to kind of layer them on the bottom of the pan. I always put the seam side down. That way they kind of stay together. And then I will work on my next one. Okay guys, so I've rolled up all of my wraps here. I've stacked them and kind of lined them up in my pan. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to sauce a little bit on the top. Because they wouldn't be enchiladas with a lot of enchilada sauce. So you can kind of just do whatever you like. I like the red and the green, that's my preference. And like I said, these, you can actually make these if you are vegetarian. You can make these just beans and cheese. You can substitute the chicken for steak or any other kind of meat that you like. I just think it's really easy. You can actually make your meat ahead of time. So that way it's simply, easily can be done and prepared at the campsite. And I love cheese, so we're going to put a lot of cheese. So this is my queso cheese. I'm gonna really top that on there because we like it super cheesy. And then I'm gonna put a little bit of our cheddar. And then I'm gonna save that fresco for at the end when I kind of scoop them out. I'll top it with a little bit of that fresco cheese. And then I'm gonna do maybe some lettuce, some tomatoes, a little bit of some sour cream, and I just can't wait. I want these to hurry up and cook so we can eat. There we go. Last thing is we're going to go ahead and put a little bit of foil on top of this pan because we're going to cook this over the fire. That way we kind of get the heat to stay in there to kind of help to melt that cheese. And there we go. We are off to the fire. Okay guys, let's get this on the fire here. Figure out the best way to put that. So now remember, because our chicken is pre-cooked, literally all you're kind of do is heating through and melting the cheese. So this is literally only going to take, I would probably say, maybe 15-20 minutes depending on how hot your fire is. Biggest thing is just going to kind of lift up. Once it gets nice and ooey gooey and bubbly, it's ready. Okay guys, so I finished off the enchiladas out there on the campfire. I went ahead and brought them in, so I'm just going to plate it up back inside to make it a little easier for you to see. Look at that. Oh my god, that looks just delicious. Nice melty cheese, bubbly. So we're going to, hopefully I can get these out in one kind. They're going to be messy. It's full of cheese. That's okay. It's still going to taste good. I'm just going to try to see if I can get one out. Let me get my plating ready. I'm going to put a little bit of some lettuce on a plate.
So you put it on top?
No, I like to put it on the bottom. A little bit of lettuce. And we're going to see if I can get one of these out of here. Ooh, look at that. Woo! Lots of cheese. I gotta save the cheese. Okay. Let me get that cheese on there. Oh, that looks so good. You put a little bit of some tomatoes on top. We're gonna put a little bit of some cilantro on there. We're gonna put a little dollop of some sour cream. Pop that on there. If you're like me, like a lot of sour cream. Let's put just a little more. There we go. And then, if you want, you can add some more regular or the queso cheese, but I love this fresco cheese. It is so good. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of this and we're gonna crumble some of this on top of here. Now tell me guys, does that not look amazing? Here you are sitting around the campfire with your family and friends and you've got this wonderful Mexican meal to eat. I'm gonna eat the cheese. Let's take a taste. I'm gonna clean my hands here. Oh, look at all that chicken, cheese. Let's get some of the toppings here. A little bit of everything. Give me one big bite. Oh my god. Delicious. Now, is that not a good Mexican meal made out at the campsite? You know, if you guys like this video, go ahead and check us out on our website. I have tons of more cooking videos, some of our camping videos. Go ahead and subscribe to see some of our upcoming videos that are going to come out. Hit the like, and I will see you next time from my camp kitchen to yours.